Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to have a little fun. We're going to show the before of this 2012 FJ Cruiser. One of the toughest, coolest, most unique vehicles on the planet. We're going to lift it. Accessories are big business. Accessories and parts and options and extra features, they can help improve a vehicle's looks, their performance, safety, convenience, and I think they can also protect it too. What we're gonna do to this one right here, we're gonna add a 2-inch lift kit, front and back. We're gonna upgrade the tires too. On a side but similar note, what do you think of this radiant red color? FJ Cruiser, this is one of those vehicles that's known for having a lot of original color schemes, whether it's blues or greens or beiges or quicksand or cements, or this beautiful radiant red color. And actually what's kind of cool about this too is FJ Cruisers a lot of times will give new colors, or they will get the inspiration going for the TRD Pro colors, like an army green, for example. All right, this right here, this is the rear spacer kit. We're gonna jack this thing up, and then we're gonna show you the after, but let's look at the interior first. It's gonna look fantastic once it's all done, and once it's all washed and cleaned. The birds seem to like it, right? So this is unique, right? The FJ Cruiser, look at that. It's got one of these doors that actually opens from the inside. Just like that. And then, wow, look at the interior scheme. That's a bold choice, my friends. It's got the all-weather FJ mats. Black and red seats. Dude, this is really cool. And then here's an example of how car seats work in an FJ Cruiser. Gotta make sure there's room for everybody. Gotta be comfortable. For a lot of owners, the first thing you're gonna do once you get the lift on is you're gonna change either the wheels or the tires or both of them. These right here are 265 75 R16. We're gonna beef those up, man. We're gonna put 285s on this thing. I cannot wait for you guys to see the finished product. We'll just get a quick shot or two. Got it on the lifts. It's always nice to get behind the scenes of what's going on, right? Especially when work's being done on a truck. We don't normally get to see under the hood, under the car itself. So this is a great opportunity. Drum roll, please. Here's the finished product. What do you guys think? Woo! So here we go. Now that we've got the lifted FJ Cruiser, 2-inch lifts, front and back, and then we've got these beefed up tires. I'll show you those in a minute. This thing is a monster. It's ready for the trails. It's ready for this hill. It's ready for the mountains. It's ready for the streams. Where are you gonna take this? Woo! Let's take a look at these tires now. These are Cooper Discoverer STT Pro. This is one of the most extreme off-road all-season tires. It's designed for the best off-roading performance while still giving you optimal on-road traction. The other thing that's so, I guess we can call it perfect for this type of vehicle here, is the tread design itself. It's designed for stone retention elimination. What I mean by that is when you're going on the trails and things like that, a tire with a different tread design might collect and keep those stones and rocks and pebbles in here, but by not retaining the stones, it's gonna free you up to get the best traction you need possible to get you through that obstacle. So let's walk around this all new, we'll call it, Radiant Red FJ Cruiser. Lift it up so you can see for yourself what a little customization, personalization, making it your own can do for your vehicle. We're happy to help out any way we can. If you'd like a lift kit on your vehicle, if you'd like any type of accessories, feel free to give us a call and we'll consult with you to see what we can do to help you make it your own. If you're interested in learning more about FJ Cruiser, I've got some specifications that you might be interested in, some bullet points. It's a 4.0 liter V6 engine and it produces 271 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. This is matched with a 5-speed automatic transmission. And as far as fuel facts, whoa, you can get up to 380 total miles if you're doing average conservative driving. That's in the highway. Speaking of highway, you can get 17 miles per gallon in the city, 20 miles per gallon on the highway, combined of 18 mpg. Woo! Towing capacity for FJ Cruiser is 5,000 pounds, so get your boats and campers and trailers ready, because it's time to rock and roll. All right, the ground clearance, if you're going on trails, 9.6 inches, similar to what you see on a 4Runner 4x4. And then also it has an approach angle of 34 degrees and then a departure angle of 31 degrees. This reminds me how much people love and miss the FJ Cruiser. It's one of those vehicles I wish Toyota would have never gotten rid of, but they did. So maybe they'll come back someday with an off-roading menace, a tough beast, right? Maybe a combination of a 4Runner and FJ. Maybe they'll mix in a little bit of Land Cruiser, that kind of stuff. But bring it back, please. We want more FJ. Everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope the video was entertaining and a little fun for you. We can do this to your vehicle. Contact us. You can also see pictures of the finished product here on our Instagram at Fred Anderson Toyota. We're on Facebook at Fred Anderson Toyota as well. And by all means, we'd love for you to be part of our next accessory adventure. So hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when our next one comes out. Thanks a lot. See you on the trails.